Okay, about this button, this switch, this is off status and this is on status. So if we want test the nodal states always in one roller, so we have to do like this. Now this button you can still switch, right? It does not affect the turning. This is manually turn the roller. So for example, we want to print always on this roller. So how to do it? This roller, and we need to manually switch to the back side because you want to print always in one roller, not always turning. So see, and we can click test, and this is like automated. This print, it will go here, and when it turns to this roller, I want always print here. Now this is on, right? And I press print. See, it's a return, and this roller no longer turning, right? Not turning. So, like, for example, your status of print head is not good, and I have to do few cleaning and washing to pump down inks, and I need to print on this roller to continuously to see the status is fine. So I here setting, and I have to put more sizes. I don't do save, it's also okay. Just check, and it will print over here. You see, new print is over here. And this roller still stand by, right? Still here. And you see this nozzle is coming out. And this is trigger button. And because we want it direct print, like when we click on print, it print, not need to trigger from there. So here, and I do once again, like two times here. Not save, it's also okay. But remember to set back to 0 when you printing socks, because later it will print more over there. And I print again. You see, right? Always this stand by, and this is on status. So let me try again. And when this is flat, it's a release, not automatically print. What happen? I will make it more and do a test. You see, it's standby, not moving, and I have to press here, and it will print. So this is the automatically and the manual trigger button from this side. This button press down, it will print. If it's not pressed down, then you have to print trigger button from there. Okay, finally we have another result. Is good. So with this type status, you can print socks. So this is explanation of this button.